Hello everyone, welcome to navan.ai. Navan.ai is a GenAI deep research and automation solutions provider helping B2B businesses to automate their marketing and sales processes. Canadian workflow that you see here is that of an SDR agent, meaning a sales development representative agent. So, the main objective of such an agent is to respond to emails of the leads in such a way that we are able to book a consultation and that converts to a paying customer. So, when we talk about the bigger picture overview of this workflow, it takes the incoming emails, decides if they are sales emails or not, reformats them, and decides if it goes to the email agent or to the calendar agent. Now, email agent basically looks through the database for all our files and the FAQs and takes the data from that and respond to the read in such a way that they are able to understand, clear their queries, and also want to book a consultation with us so that we can go forward and book a deal with them. When we go to a calendar agent, that takes care of the next part of the process, wherein we send them our availabilities. Further, we book the consultation also. So now let's talk about the details of this workflow. So now coming to our workflow, what we have here is that we get the input emails based on a schedule trigger. Now, the schedule trigger operates on a particular schedule, as in every 5 minutes or every 10 minutes. After that, following that, we then get the input emails, whatever we have received in the inbox, and then we retrieve the whole thread of the email. Now, why we retrieve the whole thread is that there might be previous conversations that we have made with the lead. So, just we want to make sure that we feed the agent the whole conversation so they can understand the background of the particular email. Following that, we ask the AI agent to decide if it's a sales agent or not. It's a sales email or not. And once they're able to decide, okay, it is a sales email, and then we reformat these emails. So basically what happens in reformatting is that the all the previous emails, it puts it into one variable, and whereas the new prospect email is sent into another variable for easy understanding of the agent. After that, we decide if it's a calendar agent or an email agent. Now, as you can see here, based on the email input, it explains that this is an information email as the prospect is asking for more information about ROI metrics before proceeding. As you can see here, the email was that, "Hi, I would like to know more about ROI metrics before going forward." So, since that is clearly an email agent, we go ahead with the email agent. So in the email agent, it retrieves from our vector database. It retrieves the data according to the query that has been asked, and it will draft the email. So once we have the email drafted, we then send it over to Telegram for approval. Now here we have two ways of working with this. One, we manually edit the email. We manually edit the email according to what we want, or we ask an AI agent, send the email to them, and just in the form we just tell them as to this is what the change we want. So we can do it either way. So once we're here in Telegram, this is how we will receive our the whole response from the agent. So we have the prospect email, we have the previous emails, the customer email, and our draft email. We have the reasoning as well. So if we have to we have a form that comes out in this way. Now what we have to do is that, since I said that we'll have a human in the loop, we'll just copy paste this, and if we want to edit it, we can edit it however we want. So suppose uh, for example, if I do not want this particular sentence, then I'll remove that, and then we submit the email. Once the email has been submitted, if you can see, the email is sent. It goes, and then once it is sent, you can look at the inbox and the email is there. So that is how the whole email agent works. Following that, you can go to the calendar agent, ask for their availabilities, and send our availabilities, and then finally book a consultation. If you can see here, the calendar agent, it looks at our calendar, draft the emails according to that, gives them particular timings for that. If they say they're available only in the afternoon times, it gives two slots that we can book, and then it will send the availability to them. So now out of the two slots, if they tell they're okay with one slot, then it goes ahead, extracts the dates, it drafts the email according to that. If we want to make any changes, we do that, and then we update it in our Google Calendar, and then we send the email to them of that the consultation has been booked. So that is the whole working of this SDR agent that we have here. Thanks for watching. To deploy this workflow for your marketing and sales teams, reach out to us on connect@navan.ai or visit navan.ai website. The details are available in the video description as well. Thank you.